Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock trading bot using an easy method. We will cover the fundamental steps to get your automated system up and running. Trading bots can help you execute strategies consistently, removing emotional biases from your decisions. They can monitor markets around the clock, potentially identifying opportunities you might otherwise miss. This approach simplifies the process, making automated trading accessible to many. Every effective trading bot consists of several core components. First, a data feed provides real-time or historical market prices. Next, a strategy engine processes this data, applying your predefined rules to identify trade signals. An execution module then sends these signals to your brokerage account to place orders. Finally, robust risk management rules are essential to limit potential losses and protect your investment capital effectively. For an easy method, consider using specialized trading bot platforms. These services often provide intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, allowing you to build strategies without extensive coding knowledge. Many platforms include a library of pre-built indicators and strategies you can customize. You can also backtest your ideas against years of historical data, simulating performance before risking real money. Some even offer paper trading to practice in a live market environment. When launching your bot, start with a clear, simple strategy and test it rigorously using historical data. Begin live trading with a small amount of capital, perhaps $100 to $500, to observe its real-world performance. Continuously monitor your bot's activity and be prepared to make adjustments or even pause it if market conditions change significantly. Always understand the inherent risks associated with automated trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.